Problem 22. Terri produces a sequence of positive integers by 3 rules. Rule 1. If the integer is less than 10, multiply it by 9. Rule 2. If it is even and greater than 9, divide it by 2. Rule 3. If it is odd and greater than 9, subtract 5. Find the 98th term of the sequence that begins 98, 49, and so on. The choices are 6, 11, 22, 27, and 54. You can pause here and solve the problem before seeing the solution. Generate terms until they repeat. A cycle of length 5 starts at term 4. So the 98th term is 27, choice D.